Assuming you're searching for especially smooth love mixture cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of smooth love elixir, SLP, will go from now on, we will investigate the previous costs of smooth love mixture, SLP, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, or so they generally thought. Kindly most certainly remember that you want to, in every practical sense, take this expectation, and each all things considered, other forecast with the goal that this in every practical sense is just the idea of some market master experts. Also anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? Smooth love mixture past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the extremely current cost of smooth love elixir in every practical sense is $0.002, and SLP is presently in a real sense positioned number 315 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of genuinely smooth love mixture is 41,718,886,355, with a market cap of $64,664,915. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been diminished by 1.57% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Smooth love elixir is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The SLP is down to nearly 5.41% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP diminished by 48.160%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $0.001 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 47.33%, and the cost flowed from a truly least typical cost of $0.003 to most extreme normal cost of $0.003 in the by and large beyond 90 days. Smooth love mixture is somewhere near 24.79%. With the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $0.002, and the by and large least typical value of was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months. We basically foresee future truly smooth love mixture cost expectations SLP figure by applying especially profound pretty man-made brainpower, helped specialized examination on the past value information of smooth love elixir incredibly. We especially do our actually awesome to gather genuinely greatest authentic information for the SLP coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past cost, beautiful smooth love elixir market cap, smooth love mixture volume, and barely any genuinely more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money, and in a real sense need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2023. Smooth love mixture cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced certainly conceivable degree of $0.002 in 2023. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.002, with the typical estimate cost of $0.002. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2024. The cost of extremely smooth love mixture is in every way that really matters, anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.003 in 2024, which is very critical. The smooth love mixture cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.003, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.003 all through 2024, which by and large is very critical. Amazingly, SLP value conjecture for 2025, the cost of one smooth love elixir is supposed to reach at a fundamentally least degree of $0.004 in 2025. The SLP cost can arrive at an especially most extreme degree of $0.004, with the typical cost of $0.004 all through 2025. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2026. Smooth love mixture cost generally is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.006 in 2026, in a very huge manner. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme sort of conceivable degree of $0.006, with the genuinely normal estimate cost of $0.006. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Smooth Love mixture is generally anticipated to really reach at an extremely least degree of $0.008 in 2027. The genuinely Smooth Love Elixir cost can arrive at a really most extreme degree of $0.009, with the typical cost of $0.008, all through 2027 incredibly. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2028. According to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2028, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.012. The SLP cost can generally arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0.014, with the very normal exchanging cost of $0.012. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2029. According to the Figure and Specialized Examination, in 2029, the cost of Smooth Love mixture is supposed to, in every way that really matters, reach at any rate value worth of $0.017. In every way that really matters. As opposed to prevalent thinking, the SLP cost can arrive at a truly greatest value worth of $0.020, with the typical worth of $0.017, which generally is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture Value Estimate 2030. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to especially reach at an especially least worth of $0.023 in 2030, or so they thought. The very Smooth Love Elixir cost could really arrive at a greatest worth of $0.029. With the typical exchanging cost of $0.024 all through 2030. Incredibly, Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2031, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to fundamentally reach at an extremely least degree of $0.034. The SLP cost can fundamentally